Smart Deploy Enterprise is the only Windows deployment solution to feature file-based differencing images and completely hardware-free images. These patent-pending core technologies allow for seamless integration into new or existing Windows Server 2008 Windows Deployment Services environments. Smart Deploy Enterprise allows you to use customized images with WDS, extending the capabilities of your WDS implementation beyond basic install images to help streamline, simplify, and accelerate Windows deployment. In this demo, we will create a custom Smart PE ISO, import boot and image WMVs to the WDS console, and create a multicast transmission. We will then boot up the target PC via PXE to the Smart PE environment and deploy the customized image. To create a custom Smart PE ISO, we will launch the Media Wizard. Walking through the wizard, we will select Build Boot Media, and then designate a platform pack that contains drivers for all the target computers. We have the option to enable or disable VNC server and cloud services, as well as designate a custom answer file. We then define the cloud services account ID and VNC server password. We then have the option to select the media type for our ISO. After designating the ISO image file, the wizard also includes the functionality to burn the ISO immediately. Now the wizard is complete and the custom Smart PE ISO is created. After mounting the Smart PE ISO on the WDS server, we will launch the WDS Management Console. After expanding the nodes, we will select to add a boot image. Locate and select the boot WMV from the Smart PE ISO, and WDS will do the rest. Now it is time to import our customized Windows 7 volume image. You can use existing WDS image groups to categorize Smart Deploy images. Here we will add to the Windows 7 group and then locate and select a custom WMV volume image to deploy. The image contains all the information needed for WDS to complete the import. As part of integration into WDS, you can easily select your imported image and select to create a multicast transmission. After naming and customizing the transmission, WDS takes it from there. Now we are ready to boot the target PC. Using the existing PXE environment, the target will pick up the boot WMV imported earlier and boot to Smart Deploy. Select Deploy an Image. To locate the Windows 7 WMV, click Browse, and then click Network. Here, Smart Deploy gives you the option to map a network drive. We will provide the network location to the WDS remote install share and then enter credentials. Now we can locate and select the Windows 7 WMV on the mapped drive. Smart Deploy provides several disk options. We will select Recreate Drives. We are then prompted for standard Windows information, including product key, user information, regional settings, display settings, and network settings. This target PC is intended to be deployed to an existing domain, so we will input the desired computer name and domain. After entering credentials to join the domain, the wizard is ready to provision the disks and apply the volume image. Once the image is applied, Microsoft Windows will continue setup, including the sysprep tasks, updating registry settings, installing devices, and joining the domain. At this point, Windows 7 is installed and configured. After logging in as administrator, we can open Device Manager and see the results of the platform pack technology. All hardware is recognized and the target PC is ready to go. In just a few steps, we've shown how easy it is to integrate custom WIM images created with Smart Deploy Enterprise into WDS. Not only does this allow you to take advantage of the time and cost savings benefits of Smart Deploy within WDS, but it also allows you to extend the functionality of WDS beyond its native capabilities. Using Smart Deploy Enterprise, you only need to create and use a single image regardless of the architecture or platform. You treat images created with Smart Deploy Enterprise like you would any other install image in WDS, and the hardware independence capabilities of Smart Deploy Enterprise reduce the pain and frustration, as most all of us support multiple models from multiple manufacturers. Download the product eval from smartdeploy.com today.